Augusta Precious Metals versus Rosland Capital, which is the best gold IRA company. So when it comes to protecting your retirement savings with precious metals, two major players often come up. Augusta Precious Metals and Rosland Capital. Now, both of these help you invest in gold and silver IRAs, but they differ in transparency, support, and investment approach. So let's go ahead and compare these two side by side. So, Augusta Precious Metals is known for its transparency, education first approach, and lifelong customer support. It offers gold and silver IRAs with a clear fee structure and no hidden cost. Each client gets a dedicated specialist to guide them through setup and management. The company focuses heavily on trust, reputation, and secure storage partnerships. While Rosland Capital offers a wide variety of precious metals, including gold, silver, and platinum, both for IRA and personal investment. It's great for collectors and those who like flexibility in what they buy. However, pricing and fee structures aren't as openly detailed, and customer experience can vary depending on representatives. Augusta Precious Metals offer clarity, guidance, and lifelong support for serious investors, while Rosalind Capital provides more product choice and accessibility for smaller and or flexible investments. Now, Augusta is best if you want full transparency and hands-on help. Rosalind suits those seeking variety as much hand-holding. Choose Augusta Precious Metals if you value education, personalized service, and transparent gold IRAs setup. Or go with Rosalind Capital if you want flexible options, diverse products, and lower entry requirements.